So hello guys, welcome back to this another brand new video. So in this video I will teach you how you can fix your Facebook story if it is not working then. So guys, at first you have to go in your Facebook. No, not in your Facebook, you have to go in your settings, and after going settings you have to search for your app management. After going app management you have to click for app list. And you have to click for Lite. So now you can see this first stop. So you have to come and clear in the storage, clear cache and clear data. After that you have to come in the permissions and you have to all the denied should be allow. In the fonts allow, and in the context also allow. In the calendar it should be allow. In the locations also it should be allow, and microphones. So guys, after that you have to come in the back and you have to click for stop first, and after that your Facebook Lite is going to be work. So guys, this is the video and thanks for watching.